How to fix sound or audio issues in Subnautica 2. 1. Restart the game and PC. Close Subnautica 2 completely. Restart your computer normally. Launch the game again and test audio. 2. Check Windows sound output. Right-click the sound icon on the taskbar. Select the correct speakers or headset. Make sure the volume is not muted. 3. Verify in-game audio settings. Open Subnautica 2 settings menu. Increase master, music, and effects volume. Make sure audio is not disabled in-game. 4. Update audio drivers. Open Device Manager. Expand sound, video, and game controllers. Update your Realtek, NVIDIA, or AMD audio drivers. 5. Disable audio enhancements. Open sound settings, playback device properties. Go to the Enhancements tab. Disable all sound enhancements and effects. Set correct default audio device. Disconnect unused headphones or speakers. Set your main device as default device. Restart the game afterward. 7. Verify game files. Open Steam or Epic Games Launcher. Go to Subnautica 2 Properties. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files. 8. Change audio format. Open Playback Device Properties. Go to Advanced tab. Try 16-bit 44100 Hz or 48,000 Hz settings. 9. Close background audio apps. Disable Discord, audio effects, and overlays. Close VoiceMod, Nahimic, Sonic Studio, or Audio Tools. Relaunch the game and test sound again. 10. Reinstall audio drivers or the game. Uninstall your current audio drivers completely. Install fresh drivers from the manufacturer website. Reinstall Subnautica 2 if audio problems continue.